Hello dear friends, now we will discuss how to evaluate our students. Last tutorial we see how to give assignment, test, quizzes to the student. If the students want to solve the test, assignment and submit, how they can submit we can see in this video, as well as how we can evaluate these submitted test by the students, how the teacher can evaluate we can see. हम इस वीडियो में स्टूडेंट का इवैल्यूएशन कैसे करते हैं ये देखेंगे। पहले वीडियो में अपन ने स्टूडेंट्स को असाइनमेंट, टेस्ट, क्विजेस कैसे देनी है, क्लास कैसे फॉर्म करनी है, उनको मैसेज कैसा देने हैं। इस वीडियो में अपन स्टूडेंट असाइनमेंट कैसे सबमिट करते हैं, उसके बाद में स्टूडेंट ने सबमिट की हुई असाइनमेंट आप टीचर कैसे इवैल्यूएट करते हैं और ग्रेडिंग करते हैं, इसके बारे में अपन देखेंगे। सो लेट्स go to the Chrome, log into the your Gmail. Here are 9 dots are there. Just click, go downwards. There is a classroom. Go to the classroom. Classroom will be clean. Here are some classes are there. In last tutorial we formed a class, that is demo first year fisheries class. Now just see, we will want to give assignment to the students or any quizzes to the students. Go to the classwork, then create. Here are quiz assignment, questions are there. We will select first assignment, title, we can add assignment directly if you type from the Google Drive, any link or any file on your computer or any other YouTube, or you can create. We will create this assignment. Go to the Google Docs or any forms. We will create assignment in a Google Docs. Assignment second. Here Google Doc is providing one good facility. In tools of Google Doc, there is one option is there. Just click on that option. There is a voice typing. Just click on this. This icon will become pop-up icon will become to record your voice. Just click on it and speak. Common name, description, and well labeled diagram of the Indian major cows. Question 2. Write importance of the fishes. Stop the voice typing, go to the close, then go to the assignment. Then you have to select which class we are going to give the assignment. We are giving assignment to the demo class, demo first year students. Click on that, then go to the all students. For all students we are making, we can give separate assignment for separate students also. We can give 50 points to question, 25 marks. You can give a due date also. Just select up to 17 August they have to submit. Okay, if you want you can create topic, then you have to go to the assign. In classwork we can see the second assignment which is due on August 17. Thus we can give assignment. You can give a quizzes also, quiz assignment. You can give any assignment to the students. In quizzes, blank quiz is there. We can select, we can choose multiple choice question, and we can give a, here we can select any images and we can tell them how they identify. We can give like that. Thus the quizzes also we can give, or you can give a writing assignments also. Now we will see how the students will solve the assignment, answer the assignment and submit the assignment. अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सेकंड असाइनमेंट दे दिए which is due on the 17 अगस्त. ये असाइनमेंट ने अपन ने स्टूडेंट को 17 अगस्त तक सबमिट करने के लिए बोला है. अपन पीपल्स में देखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. हियर शोइंग वन स्टूडेंट्स इज देयर, that is we created one demo account and one students can join here. Now we will see how these students will answer to the given assignment. Okay, we will log in first. Students assignment, just go log in with another email ID, that Gmail, with students. I already log in that. Then go to the Google Classroom. Then here are the students. Okay. Here one student is here. He is already joined to the class with the code provided by us. Students can committing in the class with typing or posting here. Then they can view all the assignments given and all materials share here. They can see here. Then click on the classwork, just click here. The due date is 17 August. वन असाइनमेंट इज हियर, यहाँ एक असाइनमेंट है वो ड्यू ऑन 17 अगस्त तक है. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ असाइनमेंट देख सकते हैं, ये असाइनमेंट दे दिए विच इज ड्यू ऑन 17 अगस्त. देन गो टू द व्यू योर वर्क. स्टूडेंट्स कैन गो टू द व्यू योर वर्क. देन go to the second assignment, then view details. Then students can make privately comment to the teachers only visible that comments and reply. Talk with teacher, students can talk with from here. And then students can write the answer to the question. Just add or create. Students wants to answer in docs, they can write in docs and he can write in docs, his docs. Common name of fish, common names of Indian major calves, I, that is INC. First one is Katla, second Rohu, third Mrigal. Like that they can answer, they can write their description, they can write the answer for the second question, that is importance of fishes. After writing answer, students have to submit it, or after finalizing students have to go to his classwork. Then just you have to click turn in. One attachment will be submitted for the assignment second. म्हणजे गूगल डॉट की जो असाइनमेंट बनाई है वो अटैचमेंट उसके साथ सबमिट हो जाएगी. नाउ वी विल सी टीचर हाउ दे कैन इवैल्यूएट दिस असाइनमेंट. जस्ट गो लॉग इन. आई एम लॉगिंग इन टीचर्स. देन गो टू पर्टिकुलर क्लास. Here our class is there, and then go to the grades. You see there is a one assignment second which is given for the 50 marks. One assignment is given by the 40. Just click on the second assignment, go to the docs, assess the answer given to the students, write the answers, and depending upon their answer you can grade it. It may be 45 that students you get. Then we can return to the students. We can, by clicking here, it will ask, students will notified and can check any grade you have left. Return. The assignment is going returning with evaluation. Like that teacher can give assignment and evaluate. It is very easy. All students just they have to join to the class and they have to submit the assignment or quizzes. We can make a multiple choice MCQ type quizzes and we can give to the students can click and submit, that is turn in, and then teacher can evaluate, then they can give grade to the student and they can return to the students can see their scores, thus the class work is going on.